This is the part 2 video of the Airsoft G.I Compact SD electric airsoft gun. Here's the rifle. This is a standard 8.4 volt battery in the battery box right there. Not almost fully charged, not completely. This is going to be the firing test you people requested, and I will start out with semi-auto and move to full auto. That was semi-auto, here's full auto. Like I said in my other video, feet per second is about 325. I don't know about the rate of fire, but with an 8.4 standard battery, it is quite fast. I have not tried a 9.6, but I plan on trying it soon. And I'll show you this one more time from the side. Your semi. And here's full. Here's semi. Here's full. That is the shooting review of the ASGI Compact SD full auto rifle. Just one more time, 8.4 volt battery. You can get this gun at airsoftgi.com. That is AIRSOFTGI.com. Thanks to you for watching, and have a good day.